Good morning, children. Welcome to Max class. Today we are going to see practical geometry. In practical geometry, our topic is construction of perpendicular bisector. So, what is perpendicular bisector? Let's see the definition. A line L which divides a line segment. A line L which divides the line segment into two equal parts is called perpendicular bisector of a line segment. So here AB is a line segment because it has two end points. So we call this AB as line segment. And here this line L divides AB into two equal parts. So the line L is the perpendicular bisector of AB. Let us see how to construct a perpendicular bisector. Exercise 5.3. Draw a line segment of a given length and construct a perpendicular bisector to each line segment using scale and compass. Subdivision D, 10.4 cm. So first let us draw a line segment of 10.4 cm. Now take your ruler, keep a dot at 0 and another point at 10.4. Now join these two points. Name the endpoints as A and B. Write the measurement below this line segment, 10.4 centimeter. Take your compass, keep the pointer of the compass at A and extend the compass Take more than half of AB. Take more than half of AB. See here, this is the line segment of 10.4 centimeter, isn't it? So keep the point of the compass at A and take more than half of AB. Any measurement you can take, but it should be greater than the half of AB. Now with A as center, draw two arcs above and below this line segment. Without changing the measurement, keep the pointer of the compass at B. With B as center, draw two more arcs above and below the line segment so that these two arcs intersect the previous two arcs. Now let us name the point of intersection of these two arcs as C and D. Join C, D. The line CD intersect the line segment AB at O. Let us measure AO and OB. So AO is 5.2 centimeter and OB is again 5.2 centimeter. When you add these two, we get 10.4, which is the length of AB. So CD is the required perpendicular bisector of AB. Construction, let us write left side. Construction is nothing but the steps we followed here to draw a perpendicular bisector for the given line segment. We are going to write in words. First step, draw a line segment AB is equal to 10.4 centimeter. Second step, using compass with A center and radius more than half of AB, draw two arcs above and below AB. Third step, with the same radius and B as center, draw two arcs. To cut the previous arcs, mark the points of intersection as C and D. Last point, join C and D. CD intersect AB at O. CD is the required perpendicular bisector of AB. Fifth subdivision, that is E 58 millimeter. In the previous problem, we had the unit as centimeter, but here we have millimeter. So first let us convert this millimeter into centimeter. So how to convert millimeter into centimeter? We have to divide the given number by 10. So to convert millimeter to centimeter, divide the given number by 10. So 58 millimeter is equal to 58 by 10. We know that 58 is not divisible by 10, isn't it? So how to find answer? Write the numerator. What do we have in the numerator? 58. And in the denominator we have 10. And 10 has 1 0. So from right side you leave one digit and keep the decimal point. Since we have 10 in the denominator place and 10 has 1 0, isn't it? So in 58, from right side you leave one digit and keep the decimal point. Now the answer is 5.8. Change the unit to centimeter. So 58 millimeter is equal to 5.8 centimeter. Now draw a line segment of 5.8 centimeter. Now name the end points as A and B. Write the measurement below this line segment, that is 5.8 centimeter. Now take your compass, extend the compass and take more than half of this line segment. So I have taken more than half of this line segment. Any measurement you can take, but it should be more than half of this line segment. Now keep the pointer of the compass at A and draw two arcs above and below the line segment AB. Don't change the measurement. With the same measurement and with B as center, draw two more arcs above and below the line segment so that these two arcs intersect the previous arcs. Now name the point of intersections of these two arcs as C and D. Join C and D using ruler. So these two lines intersect at a point O. Now CD is the required perpendicular bisector of AB. Now measure AO and OB. See what do we get? AO is 2.9 centimeter and OB is again 2.9 centimeter. Now add these two measurements, 2.9, 2.9, 9 plus 9, 18, keep the dot, 1 plus 2, 3, 3 plus 2, 5. So 2.9 centimeter plus 2.9 centimeter is equal to 5.8 centimeter, which is the length of AB. Left side I have written the construction. Construction is nothing but the steps I have followed to construct perpendicular bisector of the given measurement I have expressed in words. Homework. 2 more measurements of the line segments I have given you. I want you to construct perpendicular bisectors for these 2 line segments. I hope you will do it correctly. Thank you.